Today we have a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of the video is "The Worst Thing You Could Do Outside a Church."
Well, I got plenty of friends. I don't do. Turn around, face me.
I understand, sir.
Turn around, face me. I got plenty of friends. I don't do that in church parking lots. Embarrassing. Sit down. Sit down.
A deputy's routine call to check on a suspicious car in a parking lot is altered entirely when he instead finds a couple getting a little too cozy.
You can save me a lot of trouble because your car's pretty disgusting. You guys should be very embarrassed by that.
At around 1:18 p.m. on November 4th, 2024, this Brown County Sheriff's deputy arrives at the parking lot of Resurrection School and Church in the village of Alloway, Wisconsin, after callers report a suspicious vehicle playing loud music. But what he is about to discover is something he will later describe as embarrassing.
Sheriff's office, put some clothes on. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed and step out. You can step out right away. Sorry. You get dressed.
All right, yes, sir. Coming.
Turn your music down, too.
Sorry, what?
Turn your music down, too. Couldn't have picked a better spot than a church to do this kind of shit?
I'm sorry, sir. Look.
Step out. Come on. You got your clothes on. Step out. I ain't saying anything. Any weapons on you?
No, sir.
What's strapped in bags?
I don't know. I try and keep it.
You did on the ground. Come over me. Get dressed. You got none on you? What? Anything illegal on you? Anything illegal on you? What are you doing for a church lot? They said you were doing too. People said you were doing.
Take pins like that.
You were what?
Take pins.
Open your mouth and talk to me. What?
My take pin. It's a red pen.
THC vape pen?
It's a CBD pen.
How many pants, different pair of pants you got on, bro?
I try to put on my shirt when
Tired? Where are you living at? Is she paid for? How do you know her? That's your friend's friend? It's what? Your friend's friend?
Bruh said, the cops that she paid for. Oh my God. Yo. Nah, this is crazy. Boy. Listen, we all sin, but damn, this some next level stuff right here. Golly. At the church? Oh man. Nah, that's crazy.
What? Come over here. Come over here. Sit on your butt right here. All right, cross your feet. Don't move. How much you been drinking today? Step out. Embarrassing. Come here.
Yes, it is, sir.
Yeah. Turn around.
Sorry.
Face the car.
Okay.
You got any weapons on you?
No.
How do you know him?
A friend?
A friend?
Yeah.
Well, I got plenty of friends. I don't do. Turn around, face me.
I understand, sir.
Turn around, face me. I got plenty of friends. I don't do that in church parking lots.
Yeah.
What if there's kids here? Embarrassing. Sit down.
The deputy notices children playing in a nearby field with their parents just 250 meters away, while this 37-year-old woman and her partner have been totally careless, even partially rolling down the windows, further exposing themselves. But the deputy will soon find out that this isn't the woman's first run-in with the law.
What am I going to find in the car?
I'm gonna be on my stuff and like my whole life.
Okay. Any drugs, guns, knives, anything? Sit down. That's not sitting. Nothing illegal in here. My man, your car? Okay. You got your IDs in here at all?
Mine is in my wallet. Yours is in my wallet.
Yours is in your wallet?
Yeah. There's a tab.
What drug do you use? Okay. Is there any meth in there?
Might be some, yeah.
There might be some.
Yeah.
Let's cut this. Where's the?
I don't really know.
There might be some.
There's a.
Just hey, look at me. What's your name? What's your name? Look at me when I speak to you.
I'm sorry. What's your name?
Cut the bullshit.
I'm not trying to bullshit.
What's in the car?
I'm not at all.
What's in the car?
There's a small bag probably in the back. And
Probably
then
in the back?
I have some alcohol.
Okay. Stuck me in. Will you just ID him for me? Yep. Yeah, I know. Not very good at hiding your paraphernalia. Well, it's not going to get any better today, I don't think. Is this your car? Under your parents' name. Is this your...
Bro, first of all, imagine the smell in that car after that. Second of all, where's your gloves? These guys are junkies. Going crazy in the back, and you gotta search the car, and you're searching the car with no gloves. It's bad enough that you patted them down with no gloves, but you searching the car with no gloves, and you know that they come on, man. Even if they weren't junkies, you still gotta. But you know it's confirmed, like it's confirmed, and you still just gonna just do it with your bare hands. That's
in the center console? Huh? Yes? Okay, well that's nice. That's hey. It's neither here nor there right now. Hey, what are these? Whose are these? So if I look them up, that's what they'll be?
Yes, sir.
Why are they in this container?
Because I moved from a different city. I have I haven't been able to get my insurance.
All right. You want paper? You probably have a warrant. Awful lot of probablys. Let's get our heads screwed on straight and let's start answering some questions without probably.
Those are my medications, sir. I don't.
Whose are they?
They are mine.
They're yours? What are they?
Those?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's prescribed to you. You should know what it is, right?
It's probably.
I'm on that. That's not this.
No, okay.
You ever think you're anxious because you use... Come on. Yeah, maybe he's right. Where's the booze and weed that it smells like in there? When's the last time you drank or smoked in here? Huh? Today? Where's the... You can save me a lot of trouble because your car's pretty disgusting.
I know.
Huh?
It's cleaner all back there.
Okay. Where is the...
I don't know if there is.
You don't know if there is. You said there is. Well, there is or there isn't. It's not rocket science, my friend. Okay. There is or there isn't. There was, now there isn't, now there's probably.
Did you just get done smoking it?
No, they were,
Was it?
What did you say? Huh?
You gotta speak up, man. You're mumbling.
Well, I don't think
I
you...
truly apologize.
I don't think you ate it because you had other things in your mouth when I arrived. You guys should be very embarrassed by that. Whose coat? This looks like yours, my man.
That's your coat? Okay.
How do you got all this shit? Talking to him. How you got all this stuff in here, my guy? What's up?
No, I didn't.
Where's your... You just said you did.
I don't.
You do or you don't?
I do like this so much. Maybe it's kind of
Hey.
it really is.
Hey,
It was horrible.
hey, look at me.
I know.
That's neither here nor there right now.
Gotta work.
We're talking about what's going on right now. Okay?
I understand, sir.
Okay. Is there in there like you told me there was? Yes or no?
I think so. I don't think.
You don't think so? Means to me, yes.
I don't know.
If it was in there, where would it be?
You already checked where it is.
Because it's a pigsty, so I don't want to go touching a bunch of it.
So...
It's a pigsty and you're having your backseat, so I don't feel like...
Yeah, I know. It's so horrible.
I don't feel like
it really is.
digging around in there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. I understand.
The deputy eventually finds a gray foldable mirror, along with a glass bulb-style smoking pipe containing a white and brown residue and a crystal-like substance that later tests positive for. Inside the car, he also locates additional evidence of use, including razor blades, more mirrors, and a torch-style lighter. And just as he had suspected earlier, the woman has an active probation and parole warrant.
What's yours, buddy?
Just the jacket? Anything else in there that's yours?
What?
So just the jacket. That's all that's in there that's yours.
Nothing on him.
Nothing on him. No.
Okay, look at me, bud.
Did you pat him down or anything?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's just got a bunch of junk on him.
Yeah, there's no warrants or anything for him.
All right, what's going to happen is this fine deputy is going to give you a ride to the city of Green Bay.
Yeah.
You not show face in my village again. You understand? All right, stand up. Go over to your car. Right here, up against your car. Feet apart. You do have a warrant for your arrest.
Anything more on her that you want for the company?
Face the car.
Face the car.
You want me to turn the keys over to him?
Damn. He touching her hands, bare hands, after her hands. You heard what the cop said. He said, you probably didn't eat it because you had something else in your mouth. Why you, it's just, oh, this is nasty work, man. This is crazy, man. This is insane. And luckily they cutting him a break, you know what I mean? Because he was exposed too, you know what I mean? So they're not really going too crazy about the actual act, because that alone could get you in trouble, right? Right, doing that in public, like, could get you in trouble. So the guy, he better just zip it. Whoop. Mom's the word, man. But they're friends, you know what I'm saying? They say, you know, sometimes they say guys and girls can't be friends. You know what I mean? I don't know, you know. But they're friends. You see, this is real close.
Otherwise, I'm going to lock your car. I'm going to tag it for 24 hours, and if it's not gone by tomorrow morning, it's getting towed. Is that fair?
Yes.
Okay. How much have you drank today?
Like, I drank maybe a quarter of a pint, I think.
Anything
Ever
besides?
since the morning.
Simple question.
Yeah,
Okay.
basic.
How much have you had to drink today?
About like a quarter of a pint since about like 6 a.m. this morning.
What type of?
I smoked a little earlier. Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold. Come on.
Yep.
Come on. You gotta have a little self-worth question.
I'm so right now.
You know what I mean? Okay. Hey, but having sex in a church/school parking lot, unacceptable. Have a seat, dear. Have a seat. What's your warrant for?
I didn't finish probation.
You didn't finish probation?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a PO warrant?
Yeah.
I can drop you off at the A&W Quick Trip on Monroe Road if you want.
Oh, wow. I had to walk. I ain't even really.
You'd rather walk?
You want to hoof it?
That's fine.
Start
You want to hoof
hoofing
it? Go ahead. You're good to go.
And now, as she is being transferred to jail, the woman has complaints about her life and the deputy.
They're over there. They know about everything.
They know your situation?
Yeah. I was like telling myself in after the first of the year because I'm working and like I want to give my kids some Christmas because I didn't get to last year. I'm truly sorry, sir.
What?
I apologize. I'm sorry.
I'm not even that mad about the mess.
I know it's what I did. I know.
For kids present.
He's ready to stick it to me now.
What?
He's ready to stick it all to me.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
It seems like you are. It seems like you're happy about it and everything.
I am not happy. I just do my job.
It seems like you are though.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm actually not upset because I'm supposed to go hunting now.
Whistling about it and everything.
Is this better so you can't hear me?
It's terrible. I understand the mentality in your job, Never. You don't care.
What?
Yes.
Been skipping your PO visits and stuff.
I
Never started them or what?
No, I started it.
Huh?
I probably, I don't know, I would have got out early and everything, but I didn't know where to live. And all 4 of my kids, so I went back to my ex-husband and...
So what's going on? What? You couldn't stay with your parents?
You know, it was too much with all my kids and me and my situation and everything. I guess, you know. I'm trying to get a grip here and get a job and do what I need to do.
I'm trying to get a grip here. No pun intended. Listen, come on, man. Her parents don't want to deal with all that, man. It's not like it's just you and a kid. You talking about you and 4 kids, and then if you got the parents, that's 2. So that's 2 people right there, your parents. Then you, then 4 of your kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 people, and you ain't got a pot to piss in, man. Like, come on. Damn. Who the hell told you to go out there and have 4 kids? That's insane.
No, when I don't have the confidence in myself yet. It's not there.
Well, you have to have confidence to do right? You have to do right by your kids and stuff. Doing this kind of it's not helping you.
Wasting your time, officer.
You gotta squared away with your PO, otherwise you're always gonna have warrants. What's up? Have I arrested you before?
No, I don't believe so.
You don't think so?
Ultimately, the woman was charged with felony possession of misdemeanor, lewd and lascivious behavior in public, possession of paraphernalia. She was later released on a $2,500 signature bond. Eventually, she pleaded guilty due to a no contest plea of possession of meth and lewd and lascivious behavior and was sentenced to 90 days in county jail. Want to step up your style?
Yeah. That's crazy, man. Crazy. In a church parking lot. These people ain't got no type of respect nowadays. They just doing whatever, wherever, in front of whoever. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.